Hey, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be looking at this real great RX-93ff new Gundam from Gundam Sci-F. This kit features a long-range fin funnel, and it does look a bit different from the regular new Gundam. And I got this new Bluetooth mic today, and I hope I sound better in this video. I didn't do anything special with this kit, and I just painted everything except the white parts, and finish up with a matte coating.
There are lots of spare parts, and those are the parts that's replaced with the new parts. And most of the funnel parts we won't be using. But too bad those funnel parts can't be used to build original fin funnels because the joints are not included.
Don't ask me why, but I love collecting leftover parts.
Runner F and K are basically the exact same runner in different color. If you lose anything, you can look in the duplicate ones.
I'm not sure if this long-range funnel looks better than the regular new funnels. I'm guessing this single one balances better in 1:1 scale.
The sticker on the shoulder is pretty amazing and it's not in one piece because of the separation there. I wish they can do the same thing for the front skirt instead of this intact big one blocking the slider out. The kit comes with these water decals, but I guess I'll keep the stickers for now. Other than the long-range funnel, this kit includes a beam rifle, new hyper bazooka, a shield, and these open hands for the standing statue reproduction.
Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. You're also welcome to leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. See you in the next one.